Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today we're going to do a quick and easy origami fold container. So what you want to start with is 3 pieces of paper that are squares. They do not have to be different colors. I'm just doing this to show you how it works. Each piece will be folded the same. So to begin, you're going to fold it in half at a diagonal. And then you want to find out where that center is. Just a quick little pinch there is all you need, because you want to bring the top point down to that point. And once that's done, you're going to take the sides and fold them up against that edge that you just created. So it looks something like this, and then you're going to open that up so you have the folds, and we're going to do that 2 more times to the other pieces of paper. Alright, so now you're going to take each piece and open up that little channel and slip the next piece of paper into it. So you can see that this triangle shape right here is the same as this triangular shape, and we're just going to fit them into each other. Alright, so that's the first join. I'm going to do it again with the next piece. And so it looks like this. You've got your 3 colors, and then we're going to turn it on itself and start to turn it into each other. Now you can alternate these pieces, lay them on top of each other, however you determine, and you'll see that the last 2 pieces will fit together the exact same way by putting those together. And that creates the container. And that's all it is. If you'd like, you could put some glue to hold it together. It's not necessary. It's not needed for it to stay put, but definitely doable.